Hello everyone, I'm Shuowang. I'm a Year 2 student studying Environmental and Sustainability Engineering, and today I'm here to share with you about why I chose this course and also what it has meant for me so far. So why did I pick ESE? So personally, I'm very fortunate to be able to discover my passion for the environment early on in my education. And because of that, I knew that in my university education, I wanted to do something to allow me to stay committed to my goal of protecting the environment. So apart from that, I'm also very interested in the natural sciences such as physics, chemistry, and biology. In ESE, it allows me to combine my interest for the sciences as well as the environment together, and that really brings me a lot of joy. So some of the possible career prospects for ESE students are environmental consultant at private companies and also public sector engineers in your PUB, NEA, or Ministry of Sustainability. Apart from that, it's also possible for careers in academia as well, such as through research engineers. Alright, so what is it like to be studying in ESE? So in our first year, we embark on foundational courses that allows you to find out more about the multidisciplinary nature of ESE. In one of our courses, ESE 2101, we learn about the project design of a water filter, and you get to build it straight from AutoCAD software. In ESE 2102, we get to embark on a field trip to Botanic Gardens, where we learn about water sampling there, and we then brought back the water samples to bring to the lab and embark on different experiments such as microbiology and also chemical testing. Right, so from these modules, you learn about the foundational concepts relevant to ESE, and it also helps you to build a strong foundation that will come in handy in your future advanced courses in your subsequent years as well. So I also like to spotlight one of the modules that I'm taking right now, which is the Undergraduate Research Experience Program, or UREX in short. So it allows students like me to embark on our personal research projects, and for me, I'm passionate about the oceans or the seas, so I chose to do a project under one of my professors on the nitrogen cycling in Singapore's coastal waters. Right, and from this experience, I learned about more about fieldwork and also about laboratory techniques that I probably wouldn't learn in my other modules as well. So it helps me to further my interest in research and interacting with my professors and research fellows actually helps me to further my research ambitions as well. Okay, so last but not least, I'd like to highlight about the NUS student life as well, because ultimately, NUS student life was what led me to come to this school. Yeah, so for me, I'm a resident at Tembusu College, which is one of the residential colleges in NUS. So over here, I get to meet a lot of like-minded peers who are all from many different disciplines. So I'm part of interest groups such as our Tembusu Wildlife Association, and also I get to pick up new sports such as dodgeball and basketball as well. So it's really a very friendly environment and a good place to relax after a long day at school. Next, one of the projects that I'm part of and I feel most passionate about is Project Oceanus. This is an overseas volunteering project that was initiated by environmental engineering students back in 2010. So this project, in last year's iteration, we went to Laos to build solar-powered lampposts as well as a solar-powered water pump for the villagers in Nasak village, Laos. So it's really a truly motivating experience because I was really taken back by the unwavering sense of gratitude that the villagers shared for us as well as their lives around them. So this actually motivated me to take on the project for a second year, and I can't wait to go back to Laos in May to interact with the locals there again. Right. With that, I've come to the end of my sharing, and if you want to find out more about our ESE course or other engineering courses, you can head on to our website by scanning the QR code over here, and also check out our admission website in the next QR code below. Thank you.